At Titan we are shaping the future of data. Supply chain management information unlocked. Titan provides global market data intelligence and digitalized processes to your fingertips.
We are developed by the best in the market. Data specialists, industry experts, strategic advisors, tool integrators. Best-in-class supply chain data is our passion. Born mid-2020 out of the Swiss Corporate Innovation Initiative from the Swiss financial infrastructure provider, newly developed by market needs. Titan's mission: make smart data affordable and available to all. Why do customers choose us? Connectivity, cost optimization, augmentation. We are currently covering the following key industries, and we are constantly growing: financial services, manufacturing and automotive, healthcare, IT industry, public sector. Smarter, better, cheaper.
Smart, secure and affordable supply chain insights with Titan. We are passionate about achieving greatness. Solution A: sourcing, more than savings only. Market insights, negotiation toolset, and master data management. Solution B: risk, secure your supply chain. 360 degrees risk assessment, risk management, and risk governance. Solution C: sales, selling means knowing new sales leads, lead insights, and contact details. Solution D: M&A. 1 + 1 is not always 2. Acquisition scouting, due diligence assessment, and initiative management. Solution E: ESG, govern your supply chain. Value chain assessment, ESG rating optimization, and initiative management.
Let us take you on a digital journey. Did we get your interest? Do you have a question or want to schedule demo? Please visit our website, call us or write us an email.